Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone, whoever's tuning in, is doing well today. But if you were brand new to the channel and this is your first time checking us out, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button as we continue to try to drop sneaker content around here every single day. Also, too, if you're brand new, hit that notification bell down below. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. And guess what, guys? Like I just said, we try to drop a video every single day. Now, before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. They always take care of us. Even though we're not, particularly talking about a sneaker from J&M today, we are going to give them their shout outs because guess what? They take care of us, and we take care of the people who take care of us. But anyway, if you want to follow them on Instagram, their links will be in the description down below. Now, I was going to, I've been looking for this shoe, for some time, ever since I heard it was coming out. Then you start seeing all these, reviews coming out. All these guys got them early. I'm just wondering, how does that happen? And honestly, man, what comes right to fruition is what Reimagined preaches day in and day out. He preaches that they're coming from across the water, that there's no way these guys got these sneakers this early and they're not from freaking China. Well, obviously all the shoes are from China, but what I'm trying to say is I'm getting the same shoe but from a different source, from a source that I know is legit, from a source that I know I can trust, from a source that would not make me pay the type of money that I'm paying to, give me something that I could get off one of these sites for 150 bucks or whatever the case may be. This is coming from my source. Like I said, I trust them. And it's going to be the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Now, like I said before, man, I never owned this shoe. The closest thing I have to this shoe is, this is the closest thing I have to the white cements. They're not white cements, but like I just said, they're the closest thing I have to them. And that's gonna be the Air Jordan 3 True Blue. Now these are from 2001. Says it right there, 01. Now this shoe is fire, but as you can see, we got some damage here. So, like I said, I've been, and it comes with the card. I want this to come back. This is so dope. All this, like all the cards, all the nostalgia. This is so fire to me, man. Look at that. That's so dope. You don't get that no more. I remember I had that same exact poster on my wall. But yeah, man, I'm super excited about this pair coming through. We will be doing a review. We will be doing it on foot because I'm paying for that. I'm paying to do that. But yeah, we also got a bunch of things coming in. I got the Union ones coming in. I got 8 and 9 with a package coming in. So we got some content coming. Sometimes content can be slow at times. I'm over here beating myself up too. Like, what can I shoot? What can I shoot? What can I shoot? What kind of content can I, produce? And like I said, I want to produce content that, I enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoy, which if you enjoy, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy the video. It also helps the channel grow. But yeah, I want to come up with content, such as, just being me. I don't want to do what everyone else is doing, and not that everyone else ain't doing their thing, because, a lot of dudes are doing their thing. That has nothing to do with it. But I just want to be me, be original, and that's basically it. But please, guys, if you are brand new to the channel, please subscribe. Also, too, if you aren't new and you've been here a minute, I appreciate you guys so much. But guys, stay tuned to the channel. We got content coming in, slowly but surely, but it is coming in. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.